This term, our expeditionary learning, has been based around the protecting our planet theme. Our spring expedition title was Blue Planet. How will what I do today impact tomorrow?
We worked with geographers, scientists and artists to learn all about protecting our planet and the animals that live there. As part of the expedition, we decided to develop a mini eco-garden and wildlife area.
During Cook Week, we travelled back in time to when the dinosaurs lived to learn about carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. We started to think about the different types of dinosaurs and the habitats they lived in. As artists, we created collages and used sculpting techniques to create box models of animals' habitats. We also learned to group and classify different animals.
As scientists, we learn about mammals, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and insects. We investigated and compared the different characteristics, life cycles, and basic needs of different animal groups. We learned about the warm and cold-blooded animals who live exo and endoskeletons, and mammals who give birth to live young or lay eggs. Amazingly, some animals, like butterflies, go through a big change called metamorphosis. This means they look completely different by the time they develop into an adult.
We applied our science and geography skills to investigate the different types of habitats and microhabitats that animals need to survive and thrive. Sadly, we also learned that we have a negative impact on our planet and the habitats of animals. Because of pollution, building global warming, farming, and our everyday lives, we are slowly reducing or damaging habitats. We are even making some habitats so polluted that the animals are dying because of litter and especially plastic. We must act now to clean up our planet and help make our planet safer.
As geographers, we have learned where the different continents and oceans are located, as well as looking at some of the different animals that can be found in these locations. We also learned about the different weather we might see there.
Throughout the expedition, experts helped us to understand how we can impact the world tomorrow with today's actions. First, we joined the online Build for Birds live lesson. We learned that the UK bird species are in decline because of habitat loss. During the live lesson and across Case Study 1, we discovered how to make our school into a safer space for our feathered friends to rest, feed and shelter in. This was something we decided to include our final project.
Mr. Hall also visited us to help us create a book hotel. He showed us how to create the frame and then helped us to different textures and materials as a micro habitats to attract different insects and birds. We are so proud of our new book hotel.
The Tree Council and the French Gate Centre kindly donated fruit, trees and hedge plants to develop the first phase of our eco garden. Our friends at Street Scene visited to show us how to plant the trees and hedges. They explained how to plant, support and care for the plants. We really enjoyed creating the eco garden and we can't wait to see the trees and hedges grow and provide food and habitats for the animals.
During Case 2, we headed to the deep in the hole to complete fieldwork. We explored the aquariums and ice caves. There we even saw clownfish, swordfish, jellyfish, and sharks. We even saw penguins slipping and sliding. Our experts helped us understand how the water in our ocean is changing. We also learned how climate change affects ocean habitat and the animals that live there. We even explored how we can take responsibility for climate change and pollution to help save our seas.
Our final product has provided a lasting legacy for our community. Our lovely eco-garden will develop across future expeditions to provide a range of habitats and food sources for a variety of insects, birds and mammals. We also dedicated the trees to community heroes who have helped to improve the lives of people across Intake and Doncaster. We know we have taken action to impact tomorrow's world as there is no planet B.